In this chapter you will learn how to create and test a user program with the TIA portal. Belt systems are activated by a switch. In the past, the on switch would be connected to a contactor and the motor was switched on directly. Nowadays, plants are automated using controllers, with the switch being connected to an input module of the controller. The relay variables are mainly defined in variable tables. In this way, you can also generate large quantities of variables relatively quickly using mechanisms that are familiar from Microsoft Excel. Along with the contact diagram LAD, the function diagram FBD is also a frequently used programming language. You can switch between LAD and FBD at any time. To create any further blocks that you need for your project, add block calls for existing functions and function blocks from the project navigation by dragging and dropping. Then double-click on the relevant call to open the block. The block's interface contains the declaration of the variables that are used in the program code. As you can see, alongside the typical elements of a PLC, SEL also offers convenient commands for program control. With SEL, you can complete complex tasks quickly and easily. You can also use STL, another text-based programming language. And with Graph, you can program sequence controls that control the process under specific conditions and in a predefined order. You can then test your completed program directly on your PG or PC using the simulation function. The integrated S7 PLC SIM controller simulation simulates the control system. With the TIA portal, online access and test functions can be implemented for programming tools in exactly the same way as in a real control system. S7 PLC SIM helps you to identify and resolve logic errors in your programming at an early stage. The TIA portal is a development environment. Its easy-to-use editor allows you to develop in different programming languages. As well as monitoring your programs online, you can also check the functionality of your code right at your desk.